Hi there, this is Java Jim, and today is Happy National Margarita Day. And what I'm going to show you is my recipe for an espresso margarita. It is simple. You have some variations that you can use if you can't find the liqueurs. But the things that you will need: a nice espresso machine or cappuccino machine, or a mocha espresso pot, or a French press that can make very strong coffee. A shaker, large ice cubes. If you don't have them, use the small ice cubes that you can use. Some nice tequila blanco. It has to be the Blanco, Grand Marnier. And also what I found is this coffee liqueur, Cantera Negra. And the reason that I'm not using Kahlua that others typically use, the Kahlua can add some sweetness to the beverage, but this complements with the tequila, the agave. So that's my personal choice. And of course, a shot of espresso, which we pre-made because we want to keep this video following the KISS principle. Keep it simple and stupid. And like this, it makes a very good beverage for today, National Margarita Day. So the first thing we're going to start with is getting an ice cube, okay, into the glass, and also a large ice cube into the mixing shaker. Okay, we'll put one there. We will take some tequila, put it in the shaker. Okay, 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 3 ounce. Now you can vary according to your taste. We're gonna put a little extra tequila in there. Grand Marnier, 1, 2, and then I have a shot glass as well, because if you don't have the pours, you can use the cafe liqueur, put that in there, and your hopefully shot of espresso or very strong coffee, 1 to 2 ounces. You want to put that in there. And of course, we tend to lose the caps on shakers. Even in my house, we lose the caps for the shakers. Don't ask me why, but I will put my hand here. We'll shake this up. Okay. And actually, we'll use the strainer right there. Pour it over the ice cube. And there we have it. The Espresso Margarita by Java Jim. I wish I could have some of this, but unfortunately here at First Line, video policy, we cannot drink alcohol. But you can certainly drink one at home or maybe the office. Enjoy. Coffee first, everything else second. Have a great day, and especially have a great National Margarita Day. Take care.